I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Coastside Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Sacramento area. And today they're here to enlighten us about their True Pulse protocol treatment. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt joins us live. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, how you doing today?
Good. We're happy to have you on, Andrew. So, Andrew, what is erectile dysfunction and how does it affect the quality of life for men and their partners?
Well, ED, erectile dysfunction, is so pesky. We're talking about failures in the bedroom. Now, it has a far-reaching impact. We know ED affects the man, but there's a significant other, there's a relationship, and there's intimacy, and it has a seriously negative effect. Men are pretty used to taking that pill for ED, dealing with all of the headaches. What we're going to talk about today is a breakthrough technology that gets rid of the pill and really goes to the root cause of the problem.
And Andrew, you mentioned that ED affects so many men. So why do you think so many men wait to seek out treatment for ED?
Naturally, men are a little bit embarrassed when it comes to this topic. They're hesitant to get the problem taken care of. So what happens? They suffer in silence. Their spouse, their significant other also suffers, and the relationship can kind of start to deteriorate. I think we should be talking about erectile dysfunction more. It's so important to mental well-being, physical health, sense of confidence, happiness. Everything is so tied together.
And what are some of the causes of ED?
Well, at the end of the day, it's damaged blood vessels, but diabetes, prostate issues, the way that we age, all can contribute to the problem. One of the leading causes of ED, however, is the damaged blood vessels, almost collapsed blood vessels. They're clogged in a way. There you can see what ED looks like on the left, what our treatments, by the way, can do on the right, but those are the leading causes that we see.
Okay, and earlier you were mentioning some of the traditional methods for treating ED. How is your treatment different?
Traditionally, it has been the pill. Men are very used to that. Well, Coastside Clinic, we believe we have a major medical breakthrough. It's a technology called wave therapy, and here's what it does. It delivers pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, causing the blood vessels clinically to widen. We talked about those collapsed blood vessels. Well, we can now repair them. This is shown to improve blood flow enough. We can get rid of the erectile dysfunction. Here's my favorite part. No pills, no injections, and no side effects.
And Andrew, what is the estimated success rate for this treatment?
With 60 clinical studies, they show a very high success rate, 80, 85, 90%. So it's been very successful, especially compared to other methods. Keep in mind, 35% of men do not get a result from the pill, and almost all men get some sort of side effect. So it sure is a breath of fresh air to get rid of that.
Yeah, and you have a special offer for our viewers.
We certainly do. If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, if you're ready to do something about it and change the game, grab your phone, call that number on your screen right now before this segment ends. You'll qualify for the exam, the assessment, even the ultrasound, totally free, plus this gift that can produce results in the bedroom in minutes. You're going to love that, guys. Trust me. Grab your phone. This is hundreds of dollars, $500 in value. It's totally free to callers right now.
All right, and Andrew, I wanted to mention real quick, you said earlier on, a lot of men suffer in silence. Can you explain to our viewers how Coastside Clinic handles erectile dysfunction discreetly?
It's a discreet, it's a confidential environment. When you come into our clinic, first of all, it's a very quick appointment. You'll meet with our medical provider. Men constantly tell us, you know, I was a lot more comfortable than I had imagined. The treatments were so easy. Just think 2 weeks from now, you could be done with these treatments. What would your relationship and your life look like?
All righty, Andrew, always a pleasure having you on the show. And for more information, you can visit coastsideclinic.com.